Hello guys, Rob here. Welcome to the Hodl EOS channel. You now have less than 3 weeks to swap over your ERC20 WAX tokens for WAX mainnet tokens with 20 days and 9 hours left. But it really is less than that because the exchanges are swapping before the token swap comes to an end. So if you did want to pick up any more ERC20 WAX, you actually have less than 20 days to do so. So I have pushed live the WAX token swap countdown and exchange tracker. I will leave a link to this in the description below, but on this page it gives you a to the second countdown until when the WAX token swap ends. And if you haven't swapped yet, there is a link to the WAX token swap tutorial here, as well as a list of the most popular liquid exchanges trading WAX tokens and when they will be swapping. KuCoin has already swapped. Their deposits and withdrawals for WAX tokens are frozen, but when they reopen those, they will be WAX mainnet tokens and no longer ERC20 WAX tokens. Bittrex will have ERC20 WAX tokens until 1 p.m. Pacific time on the 29th, August 29th. And Upbit will have ERC20 WAX tokens until August 23rd at 0 a.m. So these are the exchanges I listed here because they are the liquid exchanges for WAX tokens. Bittrex has 105,000 in their BTC pair market right now, and Upbit comes in the number 2 and number 3 spot with 55 and 31,000. So those are the exchanges listed just because of the liquidity here. Here is KuCoin's announcement. KuCoin back on August 7th. Closed all WAX trading pairs. KuCoin took snapshots of users' WAX assets on August 7th. After the snapshot, they will convert WAX into WAXP at a ratio of 1:1. So they have already swapped over. The snapshot has already been taken to the WAXP WAX protocol tokens. So you can no longer get ERC20 WAX from KuCoin. Upbit members who wish to participate in the WAX GBM program should move their WAX to their personal wallets before August 23rd at 0 a.m. So that is where the Upbit time is coming in from. And here on Bittrex, Bittrex will conduct a one-time token swap to the mainnet on August 29th, after which the ticker symbol will change to WAXP. Wallets will be closed for deposits and withdrawals at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on August 29th, 2019. 8 p.m. UTC on 8/29. So that is where the Bittrex data here is coming in from. So based on these top liquid exchanges, you really only have until 8/29 if you want to pick up any more ERC20 WAX to then send them over to your burn address and be eligible for the Genesis Block member rewards. And make sure, guys, to get the full strength rewards, you need to be refreshing your votes at least once a week. If you do not want to select block producers yourself, you can use our WAX proxy, hodlwaxiopro. Just set the proxy to hodlwaxiopro, and we will take care of the voting for you. Though I believe you still do need to refresh, but instead of selecting at least 16 up to 30 different block producers, you just have to select one thing, the hodlwaxiopro, so it makes your life a little bit easier. And voting is needed to get those rewards, guys. And speaking of rewards, the Telos blockchain will soon have similar rewards with up to 30% Rex ROI and 0% inflation. The Telos Economic Development Plan has been voted through. We are just waiting for the code to go live, in which big Rex returns and 0% inflation will be turned on. If you want to learn more about Telos and get your free Telos account, I will leave a link in the description to that as well. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Again, I'll leave a link in the description of this. It gives you to the second countdown to when the WAX token swap ends, as well as the most liquid exchanges here and when they are swapping over their WAX tokens. So you have until this date to pick up more ERC20 WAX on the exchange if you want to do so. And in order to get those WAX Genesis Block member rewards, you do need ERC20 WAX. And then you send that ERC20 WAX to your custom burn address. And that is how you get those GBM tokens. And those are the tokens that receive the big rewards. Just keep that in mind. KuCoin has already swapped, so when they open back up, those will be mainnet tokens and not ERC20 WAX. But that's it for me. If you got any questions, pop them down in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one.